You know how loved you are. Don't worry about getting emotional. It's beautiful. Very well deserved.
Wow. Thank you. Okay. I don't know, this means the world to me. All the things that we did back in the day. And the media was always against us. But we fought anyway, you know. Sue, I think, was the only one who split my lip. But I beat her 4 rounds.
You had the blood on there. It was a split and I got ripped.
Whatever. Anyway, back in the day, I think it was the media that was all against us. We fought like we were trained to, you know. Ask for $500, there's the door. Go ahead and walk. You know, you're getting $250, that's it. Wasn't even a plane trip back to where we lived. But we did it anyway because that was our passion. Swimming pool, which was a treat. Anyway, he told us one time, don't even get in the ring unless you can run 5 miles a day or every other day because you're not going to make it. You need the stamina. And we said, are you serious? And he goes, if you want to get in the ring. So we did. We did it on the beach, South Sand, and we'd run 5-10 miles a day. Me and my sister and my brother, all of us, but thank God I had. I would also like to acknowledge my friends Stacy and Kim Mitchell for coming down from Ottawa. Colby Lopez and Mika Giffen from Chico that drove up. My nephew, Jai Kibbe, who is my nephew, and his wife, Brandy. I appreciate them following me wherever I go with this. And one of my best friends, Charmin Bailey, who flew over with me. And I've had the greatest time, and I've never done anything like this before. And I told Sue, you're gonna make me cry. I know you are. But it's an honor. It's an honor. I loved women's boxing. I didn't like where it went because of everything else. Media was the worst. People were okay. You know, they saw you. You did good. You did good. You know, there's nothing you can say. Kenny Rogers told us when we went to see him. Now, I thought it was going to be a brawl or a cat fight. You ladies, he said, box better than some of the guys tonight. and we told him, thank you. And he said, turned around, told his concert people, I'm telling you, when these girls come back in town, go see them, support them. They're good. And Sue, little toughie she is, I don't know where she went, but she could have went to the concert with us.
Yeah, you didn't invite me.
That's because you split my lip.
I know, and I love seeing that blood on that shirt.
Yeah. So anyway, to all you young ladies, and I have Mika Giffen that came up from Chico. She's in the training right now also, and all you can do is do what you can do. Train hard. Don't give up. Don't give up. We had it rough, and none of us gave up. You know, we just did what we had to do, or we wanted to do. Got us in shape for other things. I mean, I went in the woods for 30 years, you know, and played softball for 45 to get where I am today. So, I appreciate this, Sue. Thank you.
Yeah. I actually beat her up. She'll never admit it.